How to see digital card on Bank of America. Let's get started. You can use mobile banking app or also you can head towards the web browser of Bank of America. For this video, I'm going to use the web browser. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of Bank of America. Once you're on the website, click on Login, provide your credentials and log in to your account. After you log in, navigate to the account section where you will see all your Bank of America accounts. Click on the specific credit or debit card account you wish to view. If your card is eligible for a digital version, there will be an option to view digital card or get a virtual number. Click on it. Your virtual card number, expiration date and CVV will be shown on the screen, allowing you to use the digital card for online purchases. So this way you can easily access and view your Bank of America digital card. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.